Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up Microsoft Teams. So at first, what you have to do is just open up your Microsoft Teams software. Then inside the software, at the top right, you'll see your profile picture. Just click on that. From here, just click on My Microsoft Account. And then it's going to open your Microsoft account in your browser. Just give it some time to load. And after that, from the left-hand menu, you're going to find Accounts, Your Info, Subscription, Devices, Security, Privacy, Order History, Payment Options, and Address Book. From here, we need to go inside Security. And after clicking on it, just wait for it to load. You might need to verify your account. Just verify it at first. And after you're done verifying it, you'll be introduced to the Security page. From here, just scroll down a bit and you'll see File Backup and Security. Just click on this. And as you can see, this is your file backup settings for OneDrive. And you have switched from your Microsoft Teams to your Microsoft OneDrive file backup. Now here, you can browse your settings and figure out how your backup situation is. And you can fix everything from here. Just browse the settings a little bit. And basically that is it. And that is how to back up Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.